Hey everyone, welcome to our weekly live update. In nationwide news, some key provisions of the Affordable Care Act were struck down by a federal judge this week. The act previously required health insurance companies to fully cover certain preventative services, like certain cancer screenings, HIV prevention drugs, diabetes screenings, and children's vision exams. The federal judge ruled that this cannot be required anymore. Bloomberg Law reported that, quote, access to such services largely won't grind to a sudden halt because annual insurance plan benefits are already set for this year. But health experts warned that Americans who struggle with copays and deductibles might forego life-saving preventative treatments should insurers eventually stop covering them, end quote. Now, but for now, we don't really know what's going to happen. And that's all I have for nationwide news today. So let's go over some local news. In Arkansas, the Arkansas Single Parent Scholarship Fund awarded 383 scholarships to single parents this week. Their next application period opens April 15th for the fall semester, so be sure to apply if you want to start college in the fall. In California, the city of El Monte is launching a new guaranteed income pilot program. This program will provide $500 a month for an entire year to 125 eligible women. In order to be eligible, you must be a low-income single mother living in El Monte. The application period is only open until April 15th, so be sure to apply right away. Also in California, LA County is trying to raise awareness of the LIFE program that provides discounted fares to low-income people throughout the county. You can get a free 90-day pass if you attend one of their sign-up events. In Georgia, a new nonprofit named RIP Medical Debt has paid more than $61 million in medical debt for 89,220 residents of Georgia. The debts were between 4 and 9 years old on average, and a lot of people who were notified that their debts had been paid thought that this was a scam, but the Atlanta Journal-Constitution has reported that this is actually very real, so that's awesome. In Michigan, a free mobile dog clinic has been helping pet owners in Detroit. The organizers say that they plan to host free monthly mobile clinics throughout the summer, so I will try to get more information about that. In the meantime, the event was sponsored by Dog Aid, and they may have more details for you if you contact them. In Mississippi, victims of the recent tornadoes should be able to find help at disasterassistance.gov. The Clarion Ledger reports that residents of the affected counties may be able to receive temporary housing grants, home repair assistance, low-cost loans, and other resources to assist with that recovery. In Montana, homeowners were affected by flooding in 2022 can now apply for grants through the USDA's Rural Disaster Home Repair Grant Program. According to KULR8, eligible homeowners may apply for up to $40,675 from the USDA or to prep a site for a manufactured home or to move a manufactured home. In Nevada, officials are looking for more landlords who are willing to take Section 8 housing vouchers. According to the Nevada Independent, at the end of the last year, the average asking rent for an apartment in southern Nevada was about $1,420, a cost that is more than half the per capita monthly income for someone living in Las Vegas. So hopefully this campaign will get more landlords to accept those vouchers and open up more low-income housing opportunities in the state. In North Carolina, the Senate narrowly rejected a plan to provide free school lunches to more K-12 students. The plan lost by literally one vote, and now the state's House of Representatives is trying to fix the measure to see if they can push it through. In Pennsylvania, Solar United Neighbors is offering free solar panel installations for low-income owners in Allegheny County, right? According to the article I read in WESA, the program provides free 5-kilowatt solar panels and 15 years of maintenance for eligible households. It looks like they are opening up applications for another 7 to 10 homeowners next week, so please contact that organization for more information. Also in Pennsylvania, the Low-Income Household Water Assistance Program is coming back. This program can provide up to $5,000 toward your water and sewage costs. It ended last October after the money ran out, but the state expects that the federal government will make more funding available soon, and that program is supposed to reopen. In West Virginia, the Humane Society of Raleigh County is offering free spay and neuter vouchers for low-income pet owners. You may qualify if you receive SSDI, SNAP, SSI, LEAP, TANF, AFDC, CHIP, or veterans benefits. And just one final thing to note before we wrap up here. I've had a lot of people asking me about LIHEAP because their state didn't know what it was. In some states, it is called HEAP or LEAP. But if you ask about the Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program, they should know what you're talking about. Thank you for watching.